Today, I'll show you how to insert a graduation cap icon or image in Microsoft Word. There are two main methods we can use. The first method uses online pictures. First, place your cursor where you want the graduation cap to appear. Then, go to the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top of Word. Click on Pictures, then select Online Pictures. In the search box that appears, type graduation cap and press Enter. Browse through the results, select the image you like, and click Insert. The graduation cap will then appear in your document. The second method uses the Icons feature, which is available in Microsoft 365 or newer versions. First, place your cursor where you want the graduation cap. Then go to the Insert tab and click on Icons. In the Icons window that opens, type graduation cap in the search bar. Select the icon you want to use and click Insert. The graduation cap icon will then appear in your document. And those are the two main methods for inserting a graduation cap in Microsoft Word. The online pictures method gives you more variety, while the icons method provides simpler, more consistent designs. Choose the method that works best for your needs.